Okay, that's what's on top of that very tall building. This is the first very tall building. There's one right on its right. This is a Humber Bay. I'm shooting it right off the highway. Okay, so these are large clusters. And I was driving by and I saw them. And I figured I'd take a picture or a video of them. And this is where that large orb cluster UFO flew over, right over these two buildings. I posted that the other day, a couple of days ago. So this is where they prepare to take off. And they come together, all come together, and then once they have enough of them combined all into one large mass, then they take off. And they take off right off that building, and they land on that building. But they pretend that they're clouds, because it's very easy for them to pretend to look like clouds. And what they are is a lot of alien entities in clusters, very large clusters. That's a 30-story building, and the clusters are huge. And the more of them come together, the more. Okay, we're gonna have a problem with trucks, I can tell. The more clusters come together, the larger they get. Can't even think, it's so loud over here from all the cars. Anyway, there's planes overhead just seeding the whole sky. There's chemtrails all over the place. It's unbelievable. I mean, I'm just gonna go down to zoom and try and just point the camera over to the sky. It's so sunny, I don't know. Can't see them. I'm just gonna move it around in the sky. Hopefully it'll pick up some of them. Some are right above my head. And there's a plane up there. I don't know if that'll come out. That's doing it. There's a few planes doing it. They're just seeding this place like crazy. Look at all that over there. Just the whole sky. I'm not even looking at the monitor because it's so sunny I can't see anything. I'm sort of just pointing the camera and hopefully in the right direction so that it'll pick up what's in the sky. The whole sky is just full of these chemtrails. They made an actual X in the sky. I don't know if it'll come out because it's right over my head. I can't bend the camera back any further because of the tripod. But there's an X right in the sky above my head. A perfect X. It's amazing. It's really too sunny and it's blaring right onto the monitor. I really can't see if the X is coming out. But boy, I'm going to turn it around over in this direction to show the other side. So they're going from south to northwest. They're going from southeast to northwest. They're going north and south, and they're going east and west. They're like crisscrossing. There's a few planes all over the place. It's unreal. The whole sky, look at how much chemicals they dropped in the sky. This is just in a few minutes. They seeded the entire sky there with all these chemicals. all above me. I'm under like a chemical cloud. I don't know if that'll come out, but there's like a chemical cloud. I can't see anything on the monitor. It's so sunny right here. But I hope this comes out. It's like one big chemical cloud. I'm just turning the camera. I have it facing upwards as far as it can go because it's right over my head. And just like too much. There must be tons of this stuff. They're making their own clouds with this stuff. These are not natural clouds. Any clouds you see, that's not natural. They just poured it into the atmosphere in a few minutes. It's really incredible what they're doing. I have no clue what it's all about and why. Like who would want to do all of this and for what reason?